We are going to compare the Amazon Basics foam roller with a Blackroll brand product. Both articles are made from the same material. The surface of the Blackroll is a bit more rough, which makes it a bit less sticky. Both rolls have the same hardness and density and are ideal for beginners because they are medium hard. The edges are rounded on the Amazon Basics product. Blackroll's edges are sharp and more sensitive. We even found a small defect after unboxing. Hopefully this one doesn't get bigger over time. The Blackroll is made in Germany and comes with a nice packaging. Amazon is not presenting its product in a nice way, but this makes the price cheaper. The foam roller is made in the States. Both rollers are identical because of the same size and material used. The design and packaging are the biggest differences. Which product would you choose? Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.